Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Ben, and today we're diving into something everyone uses daily: digital technology.
And I'm Sharon. Today's episode is perfect for beginners who want to talk about smartphones, apps, social media, and the internet in English. We'll teach you the exact words and phrases you need for your digital life.
That's right. Think about it. How many times today have you checked your phone, opened an app, or scrolled through social media? Now you'll learn how to describe all these actions in English.
Plus, as always, we have Maya demonstrating everything on her actual devices. When we say download an app, you'll see Maya doing it on her phone. When we explain posting on social media, Maya will show you exactly what that looks like.
Let's start with the basics. Sharon, what's the first thing people do when they get a new phone?
They set it up, and that means downloading apps. The verb download is essential. You download an app from the App Store or Google Play. Let's watch Maya demonstrate this first action.
Notice the present continuous. I'm downloading for something happening right now. After you download, you need to install the app.
And the installation process is just as important. Let's follow along.
Perfect. Now, beginners, let's learn more device vocabulary. You have a smartphone, a tablet, a laptop, or a desktop computer.
And each device has a screen, a battery, and storage. Maya, show us your battery percentage. Let's check her power level. She's checking her battery life. You might say, my battery is low, or I need to charge my phone.
Speaking of charging, that's another important verb. I'm charging my phone. Or, where can I charge my laptop?
And here's the action.
Now let's talk about what we do with apps. After you download and install, sometimes you need to update your apps.
Right. Updates fix bugs and add new features. Maya's showing us how to update an app now.
Follow her movements on the screen.
See how she goes to settings, then updates? In English, you say, I'm updating my apps, or this app needs an update.
And sometimes you need to delete apps you don't use. The verb is delete or uninstall.
Let's watch the steps to uninstall. Maya's deleting an app. Notice how she presses and holds, then taps delete. You can say, I deleted that app, or I'm going to uninstall it.
Let's practice these verbs together. Repeat after me. Download, install, update, delete. These are your 4 main app actions.
Now, what about when something goes wrong? Sometimes apps crash or freeze. Here's a common digital emergency.
Look, Maya's app just froze. She's force closing it and reopening it. In English, the app crashed, or my app is frozen.
The solution? Try restarting the app, or turn your phone off and on again.
Beginners, these are everyday problems with simple English descriptions. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Native speakers say things like, my phone's being weird, or this app's not working.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the internet connection. You need Wi-Fi or mobile data to use most apps. Let's ensure she's connected.
Maya's checking her Wi-Fi connection. She's connected to her home network. You might ask, what's the Wi-Fi password? Or is the Wi-Fi working?
Great phrases. And if there's no connection, you say, I don't have internet, or the Wi-Fi's down.
Let's add one more important concept: passwords and logging in. Every app needs a username and password.
Pay attention to the terms for entering an app. Maya's logging into her account. The verbs are log in or sign in.
And when you're done, you log out or sign out. Always log out on public computers.
If you're new to an app, you need to sign up or create an account first.
Here's how you start fresh. There's Maya signing up for a new service. She enters her email, creates a password, and agrees to the terms.
Common phrases here are, I forgot my password, or I need to reset my password.
Absolutely. Now, beginners, let's review our device vocabulary so far. Smartphone, tablet, laptop, battery, charger, Wi-Fi, password, username.
And our main verbs, download, install, update, delete, charge, log in, sign up, restart. Practice these every day.
Perfect. Now let's move to everyone's favorite topic, social media.
Yes, social media has its own special vocabulary that beginners need to know.
All right, social media time. The main platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X now, TikTok, and YouTube.
Each platform is a bit different, but they share common actions. The most important verb, post.
Let's see the full process of posting a photo. Watch Maya posting a photo. She takes the picture, adds a filter, writes a caption, and shares it. In English, I'm posting a photo, or I just posted on Instagram.
The noun is also post. Did you see my post? Or that's a great post.
After you post, people can like your content.
Let's watch Maya in her feed. Maya's liking posts in her feed. You can say, I liked your photo, or how many likes did you get?
People can also comment on your posts. Watch Maya leave a comment now.
Let's see the interaction. She's commenting, love this, under a friend's photo. Thanks for commenting, or I got so many nice comments.
Another huge social media action is sharing. You can share other people's posts with your followers.
Let's watch how she shares it to her story. Maya's sharing a post to her story. You might say, I shared your post, or can you share this for me?
Speaking of stories, that's Instagram and Facebook's feature for temporary posts. Did you see my story?
Now let's talk about following. On social media, you follow people or pages you're interested in. Let's gain a new follower.
Maya's following a new account. You can say, I follow you on Instagram, or how many followers do you have?
And if you change your mind, you can unfollow them.
Let's add tag to our vocabulary. When you mention someone in a post or photo, you tag them.
Watch her use the @ symbol to tag her friends. Maya's tagging her friends in this photo. She types @ and their username. They'll get a notification. You were tagged in a photo.
Notifications. That's another keyword. These are the alerts you get on your phone.
Let's see all that activity. Look at all Maya's notifications. You might say, I have so many notifications, or turn off your notifications at night.
Great advice. Now, what about private communication? You can DM someone. That means direct message.
Right. DM me means send me a private message. Time for some private chatting.
Maya's sending a DM now.
Let's talk about content types. You can post photos, videos, reels, or just text updates.
Reels are short videos, like on Instagram or TikTok.
Watch her create one from scratch. Maya's creating a reel. You might say, check out my new reel, or that reel went viral.
Going viral means your content becomes extremely popular very quickly.
But be careful with what you post. Remember your privacy settings.
This is an important security feature. Smart move, Maya. She's making her account private.
Common phrases are, my account is private, or I keep my profile public for business.
One more social media term, influencer.
You might hear, she's an influencer, or I follow several fitness influencers. Beginners, let's review social media verbs. Post, like, comment, share, follow, unfollow, tag,
message, upload, scroll.
These verbs are used millions of times every day. Practice them and you'll sound totally natural online. Now let's talk about browsing the internet. The main verb here is browse or surf.
Although honestly, most people just say, I'm on the internet or I'm online. First, we need to open the app.
Maya's opening her browser to search for something. The verb search is crucial. We often say, Google it.
Right. Just Google it means search for it online. Let's find some coffee.
Maya's searching for coffee shops.
When you find what you want, you click on the link. On phones, we say tap. She found a great coffee shop. Let's see her tap the link.
She tapped the first result.
If it's too slow, you might say, the internet is slow today.
Once you're on a website, you can scroll up or down to read more.
See the movement? Maya's scrolling through the article.
You can also bookmark or save websites you want to visit again.
Let's save that link for later. She's bookmarking this page for later. You might say, I bookmarked that recipe, or I saved that link.
Speaking of links, that's what we call web addresses. Send me the link.
You can copy a link and paste it somewhere else. The power of copy and paste.
Perfect demonstration. Maya copied the link and pasted it in a message.
Now, what about online shopping? You add to cart and check out. Time to shop.
Maya's online shopping.
Common phrases, is this website secure? Or I only shop online once a month.
Now let's wrap up our vocabulary for this segment.
Remember, practicing English in real-life situations is fun and easy. If you like today's podcast on learning how to speak English about phones, apps, and social media, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting podcasts. See you next time on Speak English Daily.
See you next time.